Welcome back to my channel. It's me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs. Today guys, I'm going to share you my Valentine's gift, late Valentine's gift. Okay guys, so I will just unboxing. Okay guys, so let's take a look guys, and shout out to all my members and subscribers. Shout out to Marcy TV. Okay guys, ginunting ko na siya. I cut it off already. So let's start to look what is inside. Oh my gosh, what is this? Red color. Oh, it's a nice shorts. Red guys, it's shorts. Can see or not? Let's see. See? It's shorts guys. I like the color with less white at the bottom. See? What is inside a very small box guys. Let's take a look. Yeah, okay, so you see this one already. So now, oh, what's this? It's look like one-piece dress. So we open it guys. We open it and see. Oh, I'm right, this is sexy dress, one piece, sleeveless guys. I like the color, beautiful color. Okay, just take a look to size. It's really fit me, this one. Another one guys, let's see what is this. Oh, tube guys, tube, very small. I mean shorts, sexy tube. Topshop. Oh, Topshop. Okay, so let's only just unboxing guys. No. Oh, also chocolates. Cadbury, but also the same Cadbury but different name. All Cadbury in different names. So this is it guys.